So today I'm going to start, not start, already we have started this. Just a minute. Series parallel, any doubt in your previous lecture? Series parallel?
Sir, in series alone, that connection I did not understand, sir. Again, I got confused.
Series, you confuse, and parallel?
Parallel, it's clear, sir.
Okay. Series means, for example, one load. There is one more load. There is one more resistor. This is having resistor R1, R2, and R3. End to end. Series means, series combination means series. End to end connection. End to end. Like this. Here is my point. End to clear.
Yes, sir.
So you can see end to end means, for example, numbering 1, 2 here, then 1, 2, 1, 2. Then 2 is connected with 1, 2 is connected with 1, like this. This series combination. And this is connected with a battery or cell. Here voltage is V. For example, battery is having the voltage V. It will supply a current I. And how much current it will take? I. Let us suppose V1 is the voltage drop or voltage consumed across R1. V2 is the voltage drop or consumed across R2, R3. Okay. V3 is the voltage drop across R3. Then what is V? Formula is clear now. R is equal to equivalent resistance. Okay, I will explain. Then total V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So as per Ohm's law, what is V1? Current into R1. V is equal to IR. Similarly, I R2, I R3. If I take I common, then I will get R1 plus R2. This is R equivalent. Equivalent resistance of 3. And if I draw V is equal to what I got? I R equivalent. Clear? R equivalent means this is R equivalent. How much current is passing through it? I current. Then how much voltage drop? V. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the equivalent circuit which I have drawn here. Any doubt? Tell me.
Sir, my confusion is like there are some household appliances that run on electricity using series. That then how will current be split? There I got confused.
Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Series means current is constant. Same current is going through R1, R2, R3. Clear? Shall we start numericals
Yes,
of
sir.
numericals?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down the question. Write the question. Write down the question. Find the current. Write down the question. Find the current and potential drop. Find the current and potential drop in both registers. In both registers. Clear? So I will draw a circuit. This is 2 ohm, 4 ohm, and it is connected with a 12 volt cell. You find the value of current. Now look at here. I will solve this question. Let us suppose V1 voltage drop here, V2. Then V1 will be what? V1 by V2 will be I R1 by
Yeah.
R1 how much? 2:4. So voltage will drop in what ratio? 1:2. Clear? If you are having, for example, if I ask, this is a big chapati, and if you cut in 2 parts, then it will be 1/2. This will be 1/2. Clear? So look at here.
Yes.
This is this region. This region is what I am writing, 1/2. For example, this is A2. This is A1. And if I ask, what is A1 by A2? 1:1. Clear? Then A1 is how much?
Yes, sir.
Ratio is 1:1. Then A1 is how much? 1/2.
1/2.
Clear? 1 by total part. That is now 1/2. In the similar way, you just tell me, if I ask you, V1 by V2 is 1/2. Then V1 will be what? 1/3 of total voltage. Is it correct? Here what I am writing, 1 by what? Total part. 1 plus 1 of total area. Total area I just take unitary. Half of 1. I didn't write here. Ratios. You have learned ratios, I think. Voltage
Yes,
is
sir.
divided across R1 and R2 in what ratio? 1:2. And total voltage is 12. This is going to distribute among R1 and R2. In what ratio? 1:2. This is total voltage, 12 volt. And it is going to distribute across 1 and 2. One part will be this. And this is 2 part. This is 1. Clear? 1:2. 1:2. If I ask 1:2. Now if I ask how much voltage here, then you will say, sir, it is 1/1/1/3 of total. Similarly here, how much voltage? V2 will be 2 by 2/3 of total. Total voltage is how much? 12. 3 4s are 12, 4 2s are 8. V2 will be 8. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Clear? You can imagine here, this is total 1. If I cut into 2 equal parts, having ratio 1:1, the 2 parts have ratio 1:1. Then if I ask, what is the value of this? Then you will say, sir, 1 by 1 plus 1 of total. Total is 1. So its value is half. Clear? In the similar way, total voltage is 12 volts. In what ratio it is going to distribute? 1:2. Then how much V1? 1/3 of total. Clear? Any doubt?
1 minute, sir.
Then V1 is how much? 3 4s are 12. 4 volt. Then V2 will be obviously 8 volt. 12 minus 4. Because 12 is equal to what? V1 plus V2. If V1 is, you just solve 4, V2 will be what? 8. Then 12
Sir,
volt.
why are we taking like 1/3, sir?
1/3. Again, listen. You have a total area. This total area is 12 meters square. I want to divide this total area into two parts. And these parts, part 1, part 2. Both are having the ratio part 1 by part 2. This ratio is what? 1:2 in this way. Clear? 1:2. I want to divide this in 1:2. 1:2. Then how much what is the value of this part 1? It will be 1 by 1 plus 2, 1/3 of total 4 meters square. This is part 1. Similarly, part 2 will be 2 by total part, 2 plus 1, 3 of total. 3 4s are 12, 8 meters. If you take a whole chapati, if you divide into two parts, then it will be half. You are saying half now, half. Then half from where? If you take chapati, if you divide into two equal parts, 1:1, then what is the value of this? 1/2 of total. Total is 1. Half. If total chapati value is 1, single chapati, then here half chapati, like this. I will give you one more question. Any doubt? Tell me.
Sir, I don't know why, but I'm still getting 1/2. I'm understanding, sir, but 1/3 into 12 because the total is 12, right, sir? But how are we doing 1/3?
Supply. Battery supplying 12 volt. Clear? Voltage, you need to, this
Yes,
total voltage 12. You need to distribute in what ratio? Look at the question. 1:2. Then how will you distribute? 1:2 means 1:2 of what? Total, na?
12.
Yes. That is why this is total voltage 12. This voltage you need to distribute into two parts. One part and two part. 1:2. Ratio should be 1:2. Then how
Yes,
much
sir.
voltage on V1? 1 by total part 1 plus 2, 1/3. 1/3 of what? 12.
Yes, sir. Now I understood, sir.
Now 1:2. 2 will be 2/3 of what? Total. Maths you have learned.
Yes, sir.
Basic
Now I got it.
mathematics like divide. For example, this is, now you understand or what? Mathematics, ratio and proportion you have learned.
Now I understand.
Understood? Tell me any doubt.
No, sir. Now I understand.
If you have doubt, please ask me again, because this is the trick I am teaching you. Otherwise, I am not teaching this trick to anyone. CBSC, I am not teaching this trick. So write one more question. Find the current. Write down the question. Find the current. I am dictating. Please write. Find the current and potential drop in each register. I am drawing the figure. In each register, find the current and potential drop in each resistors. And one more part, please write down. Find the current drawn. Find the current drawn from a cell. How much current? Look at here. Resistance is 6 ohm. This is 3 ohm. This is junction. Junction A, junction B. For example, battery is giving current I. What I was, find the current and the potential drop. Potential will be same because these are parallel combination. Here 12, here also 12. Here also 12 volt. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, you just tell me, 6 ohm 12 volt. Current I is coming. In what ratio? It will divide I1, I2. Then I1 will be what? You know voltage, you know resistance, then I1 will be what? Two ampere. Clear? I2 will be what?
Yes, sir.
12 by 3, 4 ampere. Ohm's law. Simply apply Ohm's law because from 3 ohm, what is the voltage? 12 volt. You know resistor. Can you find the current? I2 will be what?
Yes, sir.
4 ampere. Now,
Four.
what I have at junction? This is A junction. Clear? A junction. How much current is coming? Current is divided in case of parallel. I. How much going here? I1 here. I2. Then can I say this current I is coming and it is going to distribute. I is equal to I1 plus I2. Can I say?
Yes, sir.
Then I is what? 2 plus 4. That is,
6.
then how much current
6.
is supplied by the battery? 6 ampere. Voltage drop across each resistor is 12 volt because they are in parallel combination. Any doubt?
No, sir.
I am solving in this fast manner, but in CBSE you don't need to go like this, step by step. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next question, write down. Find the current in each registers. So I will draw a circuit. Write down 1, 2, 3. 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm. We will solve many numericals. Clear? Series, parallel, and number of numerical I will solve. I will not stop until I solve a last numerical. In 3 days, 2 days, 4 days, it will take. Let it be because it's a very important topic. Series and parallel. How much current is coming? 10 ampere. A is a junction. A is a junction. 10 ampere current is coming. For example, they are asking I1 current is going here, I2 here, clear? I3 here. Now they are asking what is the value of this I1, I2, I3. I1, I2, I3. Very simple. You have 10 ampere current. You have 10 ampere current. You need to distribute the current in what ratio? I1 ratio, I2 ratio, I3. Whatever will you need to divide the current 10 ampere into I1, I2, I3. Clear? Then if I ask you what is the
Yes,
ratio of
sir.
I1, I2, I3, you will write like this. I1 ratio, I2 ratio, all are ratio. I1 ratio, I2, I3. I1 is certain value of current. Can I write like this? I1, I2, I3. I take the ratio.
Yes, sir.
You can write. Now you let us suppose because all are in parallel combination. So voltage here V, here also V, here also V. Let us suppose. Clear? Then I1 will be what? R is equal to V by I. I will be V by 1. Here V by 2. I3 will be what? V by 3. Voltage is same. Resistance is given. Then I1 will be V by. Clear? Now please tell me,
Yes, sir.
ratio is there. If a ratio is there, it is a property we can divide. We can multiply with a constant in case of in ratio. Clear? Ratio never change. You know this? If 2 ratio 3, if
Yes,
you
sir.
multiply numerator by 5 and denominator by 5, nothing will change. Clear? Then here V cancel out. Can I do like this? It will evolve 1
Yes,
ratio
sir.
1 by 2 ratio 1 by 3. If I take what is the LCM of 3 and 2? 6. Can I write like this? Ratio 6 ratio here. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Then ratio of current. The ratio of current will be 6 ratio 3 ratio 2. You need to divide the total current in what ratio? 6 part, 3 part and 2 part. Then if I ask what is the value of this I1? I1 will be what? 6 by total part of what? Total current.
10 ampere.
How much? 6 ampere. In the similar way, what is I2? 3 by total part. 6 plus 3 plus into 10. How much? 3 ampere. Now after knowing, no need to solve I3. No need to solve I3. Why? Because we know the relation 10 ampere will be equal to what? I1 plus I2 plus I3. Clear?
Sir, actually, we are getting, I mean, the total part is like 11, sir.
Total
6 plus 3 plus 2. Part is
6
11
plus
here.
3. Listen, 10 ampere. I1 is what? 6 plus 3. I3 we need to find. I3 will be what? 10 minus 9. It will be 1 ampere. If you solve like this also, it is also correct. I3 will be what? 2 by 10. 2 by, sorry, here.
Yes, sir, 11.
Wait. 6
Sorry,
6.
11, sir.
Oh, sorry. Here 11. You're right. Clear? Please solve.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, I2 will be, I thought like it is 1. Clear? 3 by 11 into 10. Then I3 will be subtract. Understood? My main objective is
Yes,
not to no, calculation mistake, though that is not my main objective. My main objective is to make you clear what is how to
yes,
find
sir.
this I1, I2, I3. Clear? Any doubt? Now
No,
write
sir.
down find the current. One more question. Find the current. Find the current and potential drop across each resistors. Find the current and potential drop across each resistors. For ohm, okay. Can you tell me? I'm asking. Find the current and potential drop across each resistor. You need to find the current across all the resistors. You need to find the voltage across each resistor. Would you like to try? Question is
Yes, sir.
find current and potential drop across each resistors. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Please solve. Now look at here. First of all, find the equivalent resistance. R equivalent will be 3, 6 parallel to 2, 2. It will be 4 parallel combination of 3, 6, 2 and 2, 2 in 2, 2 in parallel. How much? 1. Any doubt? 3, 6 in parallel. 2, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm. 1. Should I solve or you understood?
Can you please solve it?
Solve. Okay. Look at here. This is 2 ohm, 3, 6. 1 by 3, 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by formula. No need to apply this one. Rp is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Clear direct formula. Then Rp will be what?
Yes,
R1
sir.
R2. R1 is 3 into 6, 3 plus 6. 3 into 6 by 9. 3 3 is 9, 3 2 3 2 is 6. 2 ohm. Clear? Understood?
Sir, why did we make it into like series, sir?
3 6 parallel. You just join these two and write a combination. Here combination of resistor. This is a topic now. Parallel combination. You just combine 3 and 6 and make it 1.
No, sir, I don't get that part.
Where? You just tell me 3 6 in
Combining three and
parallel. Hello? What is the
sir,
doubt?
I'm getting confused, sir.
Yes, tell me where are you confused?
3,
3 6
3
are
and
in
6, how to combine?
how to combine means like this. This is the junction AB. Here 3 6 3 ohm 6 ohm. Clear? When you find the resultant equivalent, leaving junction, junction A, junction B. No need to touch this. Equivalent of this and this will be, we can write like this. After finding the equivalent, remove this, and finally add simple equivalent. That is 2. No need of this. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Now similarly here I just find the equivalent of this. This is the junction A, B. In between I just remove this, I just remove this. I got single. In between this junction I just connect 2 ohm like this. Clear?
Sir, there we did like 2 ones so that it would be single lemma, right, sir?
I just find the equivalent of 3 and 6 by using the formula 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. If you apply the formula
Yes, sir.
also you will get 3 6 2. Now leaving these 2 points junction A and B, you just remove the individual resistors. Clear? Individual resistance remove. 3 6 forget now what is it? G, where our main objective is to find the equivalent resistance. And after finding the equivalent resistance in between the same 2 junction, connect the equivalent because equivalent is working as a same. Its effect will be same as 2 resistors which are in parallel. It is a resultant, you can say. You have learned resultant force in mechanics now. Net force
Yes,
like
sir.
that. The net of this 3 and 6 will be 2 ohm. Then why you are bothered? Why you are thinking regarding 3 and 6? Connect 2 ohm directly. Clear? Now you just tell me there A is here, B is here. What is the equivalent of 2 and 2? How much?
1.
1. Now then remove this. Remove this. Now in between A and B. Remove this also. In between A and B. Connect one resistor, that is 1 ohm. Like this I have connected. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Individual resistance, after calculating the equivalent resistance, remove this and apply the equivalent resistance. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. It's
But
clear.
make sure 1 ohm which I have written here now, this 1 ohm is the equivalent of 236. Step by step when arriving. Clear? So here, for
Yes.
example, here voltage is how much current? First of all, we will find the total current. I supplied by the battery. I will what? Tell me. I is equal to voltage of the battery divided by total
V by R.
resistance. 2 ampere. Then I will be 2 ampere. Clear this thing in your mind. Now you just tell me, here voltage is V1, here voltage is V2. Let us suppose. If this voltage V2 across 1 ohm is V2, across 1 ohm. Clear?
Yes,
Across
sir.
1 ohm, voltage is V2. Then across 236 will be same because all are in parallel. Go back.
Yes, sir.
Go back. Parallel combination, what I explained. The voltage across the equivalent. If you want to check. Starting only. You can check V is equal to IR equivalent. This is the equivalent resistance. This series actually. Again, I will explain here also. No worry. What I am saying, for example, if this is R1, two resistor, right? R1, R2. Clear? Equivalent of this A junction, B junction. You just don't touch these junction A, B. Equivalent of R1, R2 will be R1, R2 by R1 plus R2. Like this. 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R. Rp will be what? Take the LCM. R1, R2. Is it clear? Then Rp will be
Yes,
equivalent
sir.
resistance. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So you just tell me, here voltage is V. Here voltage is V. Then here also V. Because I didn't change this junction B. I didn't change A or B. Potential means it is the potential. V is the potential difference across the 2 points. I didn't change this A and B. Then potential, all resistance are connected across A and B. Here A and B. A and B I didn't change. Potential difference is always across the 2 points. V is the potential difference across A and B. I didn't change A and B. R1 and R2 I remove, but I didn't change A and B. In between A and B junction, A and B point, I just connect the equivalent resistance. It means if it is having V potential, it is also having V potential, it is also having V potential. It's very important concept. Because potential difference across 2 points, it is always in between 2 points. It is not a due to single point. If you change the 2 points, potential drop will change. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see here. Slide is dropped. Okay. Now look at here in this question. Tell me what is the value of V1, V2? Find series, both are in series. Can you tell me what is V1, V2? Can you solve?
We were, yes, sir.
Tell me what is V1, how much? Find V1, V2 first. Series combination ratio take 4:1. Then V1 will be 4 by 5
V1
of
is 8,
10. Means 5 twos are 10, 8 volt.
8,
How
sir.
much? This much time you should
I
not
got
take.
8, sir.
Your IIT student. 4, V2 will be 2. 10 minus 8 will be 2. If 2 is here, then 2 is here. Here also 3 ohm. How much here? 2, 3, 6 ohm. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
2 volt, 2 volt, 2 volt. Clear? Current you already find 2 ampere. Across 4, 2 ampere. Now 2 ampere is going here. Clear? You just tell me how much current I1 here, I2 here I3. What is I1? Tell me.
2, 8,
Voltage is given 2 volt, resistance 2 ohm. How much I1?
1, sir.
Very nice. I2,
Uh, 3, sir. Sir, side to 3,
okay. Then I3,
3 by 2.
are you sure I2 is 3?
Yes, sir.
Wrong. Look at I2 will be what? How much voltage drop? 2. I2 into R, 6 ohm. I2 will be 1 by 3 ampere. Similarly, I3 will be 2 by 3. Clear? Please improve the calculation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
There are one more way. Let us suppose if you don't know, if you are not interested to find the potential drop. For example, 236. How much current is coming? One more way I am telling. Like this. How much current is coming? 2 ampere. How much is 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 6 ohm? We know it is in parallel. Potential V here, V, V. How much current here? I1, I2, I3. Clear? Then what is the ratio of I1, I2, I3? I1 ratio, I2 ratio. This is a trick I am telling. If you are not interested to find the potential also, then directly without knowing the potential, exact value of potential, you can find the current. I1 will be what? Shall be V by 2, V by 3,
2,
V
3
by,
by 2.
then
2 by
V
3, V by
cancel out, 1 by 2, ratio 1 by 3. If you numerator multiply by 6, it will be 3 ratio 2 ratio 1. Clear? Then current, what is the ratio of current? I1 ratio, I2 ratio, how much? 3 ratio 2 ratio 1. The current which is coming from here, in what ratio it will divide? 3, 2, 1. Then I1 will be what? 3 by total part. 3 plus 2 plus 1 of what? Total current. 1 ampere. Similarly, I2 will be what? 2 by total part. Total is 2. Sorry, here 2. 2 by 6. 2 by 6 into 2. How much? 2 by 3 ampere. Is it 2? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
The similar way I3 will be 1 by 6 into 1/3. Is it the same value we are getting from that earlier method?
Yes, sir.
See, I know it is like when you are learning anything first time, na, things are new. But once you have a practice, why? You should be these question in competition exam. They will find, they will ask many question from resistance. I am giving you this question. I will give you some complex question also. But in CBSE, if you find question, you can quickly find this I1, I2, I3. You will write there R is equal to V by A. You can cross verify your answer also. CBSE question are very easy, believe me. So write one more question. Actually, I am sharing again. Wait. Don't worry, I will share this PPT also because now I have a new slide. I will add some more slides. Give me 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt to any doubt?
Now, sir, after you taught me that one became easy, I think, sir.
Now everything is clear.
Yes, sir.
Everything will be clear. Don't worry. Things will take time, but later you will understand all the things. Any doubt? Now write one more question. Find the current. Find the current and potential drop. Find the current and potential drop across each resistors. Draw this diagram. This is the last question, okay?
Yes, sir. Ten volt battery. Both are in parallel, okay? Here. What you need to find? This is 12 ohm. Here this resistor is here, okay? These resistors are in parallel. 12, 6 ohm. Understood? This is 3 ohm. This is 12 ohm, 4 ohm. What they're asking, find the current and the potential drop in each resistor. So if you find, first of all, tell me what is the equivalent resistance of all the circuit. Tell me. Please try this question. Sir, can you please give me 2 minutes? I'm out of charge.
Okay. You please first of all tell me what is the equivalent resistance. 12, 4. Take the junction. Here junction is A, B. Here you can take C, C junction, D junction. In between A and B, what is the equivalent of 12 and 4? I will draw the equivalent circuit. 3 ohm. 12, 4, how much? Alright, why are you taking much time? Simply 12 into 4 by 12 plus 4. Like this.
I got that, but I was not sure if it was correct.
Okay, no problem. 12 into 4 by 12, 4, 16. 4, 4 is 16. 4, 3 is 12. Answer is 3 ohm. This is big cross A and B. I am writing here AB, but you should be clear, okay? If I will not write, still you should understand. What is the 12, 6? What is the equivalent? 12 into 6 by 12 plus 6 like this. The fast. 12 plus 6, 18. 6 3 is 18, 3 4 is 12. You should be far fast in calculation. 10 ohm. This is C point. This is D. Now tell me if 10 is here. 10 is here. What is the equivalent resistance total? 4 plus 3 plus 7, 10. Then how much current? Current will be 1 ampere. Is it correct? Total equivalent
Yes, sir.
resistance 4 plus 3 plus 7, 6 or 4, 10. Total voltage is V, 10.
One.
Current will be 1 ampere. R is equal to V by. But if you are not interested to find this also, I will give you one more way. If you are not interested to find this much calculation, I am giving one more way. Let us suppose battery is giving current I. Clear? This current I at here, it will divide I1 and I2. Anyways, I think you need to find I also. I how much? 1 ampere. I you need to
One
find.
ampere.
After this, our job is easy. Here 1 ampere. Clear? Then you just tell me I1, what is the ratio of I1 ratio I2? I1 by I2, simply I is equal to what? V by
One.
R1, V by 6. It will be 6 ratio, well, it will be 1 ratio 2. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
1 ratio 2 means divide this current 1 in 1 ratio 2. How much current here? 1/3. How much here? 2/3. Then this 1/3 and 2/3 is going to merge here. Then how much here? Same current 1. 2/3 plus 1/3 add. 1 ampere is going. Here 1 ampere. How much here? Tell me. 12, 4. What is the ratio of current? Take I3 here. Here I4. Then I3 by I4 will be how much? Inverse of ratio. 4 ratio 12.
3.
1
Sorry,
ratio
1 by
3.
2.
It means 1 by 4. Here how much? I3 will be 1 by 4 of total is 1 ampere. I4 will be what? 3 by, both
4.
will merge here. How much current? If battery is giving 1 ampere current, then it will take. It is conceptual. I am telling 1 ampere. If battery is giving 2 ampere, it will take how much? Tell me. If battery is giving 2 ampere current, then how much current it will take?
1 by 2, sir.
If battery is giving 1 ampere current, it will take 1 ampere only. You can check here. This is a cell. It is giving how much current? 1 ampere to the circuit. Then how much current it will
Yes, sir.
take finally? 1 ampere, because already I have told many times charge can neither be created nor be destroyed. If 1 ampere current is delivered by the battery, then how much current it will take? 1 ampere. This 1 ampere again flow through the battery. Again, it is going to a circuit. Here, 1 ampere delivered by the battery,
Yes.
then it will take after 1 ampere. Understood? Then voltage drop is
Yes.
easy. You know the current now. Now, can you find the voltage drop here? If 1/3 current here, then how much voltage drop here? 1 by 3 into 12. 3 fours are 12. 4 volt here. 2/3 of 6. 3 twos are 6. 2 twos are 4. 4 volt here because parallel. 4 volt, 4 volt parallel. Similarly here, current is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of 12. 3 volt here. How much voltage drop here? 3 volt because parallel combination. In 3 ohm, whatever I'm using. See 4 here, 4 or 3, 7. How much given by that cell? 10. Then how much here? Tell me. 4 is consumed here. Total voltage is 10. 4 is here. 3 is there. Then how much across 3 ohm?
3.
Very good. 3 volt. Here also across this 3 volt. Any doubt? Little bit complex I know, but
No, sir.
really I enjoy it. Really. When I started this chapter now, I really enjoy this question. You should be very, very sharp on calculation. Don't worry, it will take time because
Yes,
first
sir.
time you are learning now. After some time, you will be perfect. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Doubt?
No, sir.
So write one question. Find the equivalent resistance. I'm giving you one question. Find the homework question. See, wherever they are asking equivalent resistance, always connect a battery in between those 2 points. Clear? Find the
Yes, sir.
equivalent resistance between A and B. You just give me the answer on WhatsApp. Okay. Actually, I need to go for dinner outside. Otherwise, shop will be closed. That is why I'm looking too early.
Sir, you're not eating at home, sir.
Actually, I don't know very. I know very less cooking. I don't know cooking. In Chennai, many faculties were living with me. Now I am alone here. Here, this is not no resistance here. Okay, single wire. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is a 2 ohm. This is a 2 ohm, 4 ohm. This is a 3 ohm, 4 ohm. This is a 3 ohm. Now they are asking find the equivalent resistance between A and B. Then always in your mind imagine there is a cell in between A and B. Imagine in your mind. Clear?
Yes.
Now as per this solve this question. Okay. Series means end-to-end connection. Parallel means there is no end-to-end connection. Series current is constant. Parallel voltage is constant. Understood? Homework question.
Yes.
Do you want
Sir,
one more
can I have
question?
like one
Do you want one more
worksheet on
question?
this topic? No, sir, not like question. Worksheet on this topic, sir.
Sure. You want worksheet? I will give you many questions. Enormous question.
Yes, sir.
Here, I'm having. You want worksheet? I will give you worksheet.
Yes, sir.
I will give you 2 questions. Okay, don't worry. You solve this first. 2 question I will send later. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.